Hi everyone, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Good
Good evening,
evening.
sir.
Good evening. So let's start the session. I'm sharing my screen. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let's start.
Sir.
So in the previous class, we had the discussion regarding the cloud computing part, like what is cloud, what are the benefits of using the cloud for the business, what is on-premises environment, or you can also call it physical infra. We have also discussed about the types of cloud. So in the types of cloud, we have seen two models as per service delivery and as per deployment.
Good.
So as per service delivery model, we have discussed about IaaS, PaaS, and the SaaS. And as per deployment, we have discussed about private, public,
Public.
and
I,
hybrid. Then we have also discussed about Azure benefits, why the company are going towards the Azure cloud. So this is what we have discussed in the previous class. Now let me know if you have any doubt, any questions from this series, then we can take it forward. Yes, Divya? Divya or Divya? I think I am not pronouncing the name correctly. Divya K. Dot S. Raising the
Yes,
hand.
sir. Yes, sir. So, is this the first class of Azure or what, sir?
It's the, you can say it's the second class, or not exactly second, it's the third class. In the
Uh,
last weekend, we had the
okay.
discussion regarding the theoretical part of cloud, like what is cloud and the types and everything. Today would be the first class of Azure, you can say.
Sir, actually, my recruiter says this is the first class, and um I'm attending the first class itself, sir. Today, mine it's the first class of Azure.
For Azure cloud option, this is the first class, but yes, in the previous class, we have discussed about some theory related to the cloud, like what is cloud and the types and everything. The Azure class, the main class of Azure will be from today.
Yeah. Okay.
In case
Okay.
you want to refer those things, so I can share you the recordings also for the previous two class. That is a theoretical session only, so you can
Uh,
go through with that. And in case there will be any doubt with that, you can discuss with me. I will just attend it. Okay?
yeah. Okay. So, where I can get the recording, sir?
I will share with you after the session. Don't worry.
Yeah. Okay, okay, sir.
I will share you all the notes and the recordings of previous class, so you can just go through with that. That is general discussion regarding the cloud only. It was nothing with the Azure. It is just
Okay.
the common thing like what is cloud, what are the types of cloud, and why we use it. That's it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
And I can also see Vishal and Sagar. They are also raising their hand. What happened, Vishal and Sagar?
yes, sir. सर लिफ्ट एंड शिफ्ट मॉडल का मतलब सर वही जो और माइग्रेशन ऑन प्रेमिसेस टू क्लाउड ना.
Yes, yes. That is called lift and shift. And what about Sagar? Sagar.
But sir, you like you said in as like last class, you will be.
Wait. Let me mute everyone. Now speak one by one. Anyone wants to say something?
Yes, sir. Actually, you said in last class like you will be discussed about the topic lift and shift
Yeah, that I
like
will discuss
later.
in future. Yes,
Yes. Okay.
that
I
I will
thought
discuss
like
in
you
future.
like where you told and I never
No. I
hear.
have not discussed about it yet. I will discuss that in future when we will start the migration topic.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah. So no doubts from this topic then? किसी का कोई doubt नहीं है? Good. So I have shared some document also. Might be you have got it, the videos and the document. Have you all received it?
यस
Yes,
सर.
sir.
So it was, I guess. So these questions were shared with you, and these are some of the important questions you can say related to our topic that we have discussed so far. So what is cloud computing? We have already discussed. Why companies are shifting to the cloud computing, that we have discussed. What are the deployment models in the cloud, that we have discussed. What is public cloud? Few examples we have discussed about it. Private cloud, hybrid cloud, everything we have discussed. Service delivery model also we have discussed. On premises data center also we have discussed. And what are the limitations of the on premises? Why companies are going to the cloud, that also we have discussed. Scalability also we have discussed. Scalability simply means, as per the requirement, if we want to increase the number of servers or if we want to decrease the number of servers, we should have that capability. So in the cloud we have that capability, which is called scalability option. Pay as you go model also we have discussed. In the cloud we have the pay as you go model, where we have to pay for the services that we use in the company. Lift and shift I will discuss in future, not now, that this is not the right time to discuss it. So these are some of the questions that you should know. You should know the answers of all these questions. These questions will not be asked in interview. Interview में नहीं पूछेंगे ये वाले, because they will not ask you such basic questions. These are very basic questions from the intro part only. But if you are aware about the answers of these questions, you will have the picture in your mind that how the cloud works. इस वजह से ये questions है. Interview में ये वाले नहीं पूछेंगे. They will focus on the Azure part only. So before jumping to the Azure, today we will have the first session on Azure, the core Azure part. So before jumping to it, I would like to discuss about some certifications. मैं कुछ certifications की बात करूंगा. Then we will start with the practical part of the Azure. So when we talk about the Azure certifications, we have a lot. बहुत सारे हैं हमारे पास. Here you can see this file I have shared with you in the previous class on Monday, I think. Again I will share if someone has missed it. अगर किसी का छूट गया तो मैं दोबारा दे दूंगा. So these are a lot of certificates that we have in Azure. इतने सारे certificates होते हैं देखो. And these are in different category. So when we talk about the certificate is divided as fundamental. The first stage is fundamental. The second stage of the certificate is associate. The next one is professional, or you can say expert level certificate. So these three are the categories of the certificate that we have in Azure. Azure में इस तीन category के certificate होते हैं. Fundamental certificates are the entry level certificates for those people who are very new to the Azure cloud. So the persons who have just started their journey in the Azure cloud, they start with the fundamental. So fundamental is like a theory only. It is for the people who just want to know about the cloud, who have just started their journey. So it's like a theory only. Very few practicals are there in the fundamental topics. So here you will just learn about the cloud, what various services we have in Azure, how do they work. ये सारी चीजें you are going to cover in the fundamental. Then we have the second stage, which is called associate. Associate certificate is for those people who are working or who is going to work as a entry level administrators. So the persons who are going to work as a entry level administrators in the cloud, they start with the associate level of training plus certificate. So you can say the person who is working on level 1 and level 2 of the cloud jobs, they are very well versed with the associate level training plus certificates. So they have this kind of certificates in their batch. Then comes the last level of certification, which is called expert or professional. You can call it professional certificate, you can call it expert certificate. Expert level certificates are for those people who are on very senior roles, like might be they are L3 engineers, L4 engineers, they are working as a subject matter expert on the cloud, they might be working as an architect on the cloud, they might be working as a module leader of the cloud, they might be working as a platform leader of the cloud, they are working as a IT operations cloud manager, the project, not the project, the team lead of cloud operations. So these kind of peoples do the expert level certificate just to increase their salary and their positions. So in order to increase the salaries, their positions, their profile, their work area, they go with the professional level certificate. So this is not for the entry level people. This is for the advanced engineers. So these three are the certificate. Fundamental certificates are not worthy for the engineers. मतलब हम जैसे बंदों के लिए fundamental certificate is of no use. This is generally done by the sales people, because in the company there is a sales team who sell the cloud services to the different companies. So in order to know the theoretical part of the cloud, they go with the fundamental certificate. So हमारे जैसे IT वाले बंदों के लिए जरूरी नहीं है, because we don't have to do anything with the theory. We have to do everything with the practicals. So fundamental part we can skip. This is just a theory, the intro part of the Azure cloud only. So generally sales people do this training.
Sir, fundamental, it's come in under 900, right? AJ
Yes,
900.
yes. AJ 900 is the part of fundamental.
Okay.
So fundamental training we can skip. Even we don't have the fundamental knowledge also, that will be covered in the associate training as well. So you don't have to do the fundamental separately. In the associate level of certifications, the fundamental is already covered. So we don't have to jump to this part directly. Associate level training is helpful for the engineers. Professional and expert level trainings are helpful for the engineers. So for us, we have the two categories of certificate. हमारे लिए ये दो category. Now when we talk
Sir,
about
associate certificate is valid for 1 year now.
yes, every Azure certificate is valid for 1 year only.
Okay.
Every Microsoft Cloud certificate is
बट
valid
सर
for 1 year.
फंडामेंटल का एक्सपायरी डेट होता है क्या? मतलब
हाँ सर,
फंडामेंटल मैंने देखा नहीं।
होता है
मेरा भी ये क्वेश्चन था सर, यही।
होता है
मगर
हाँ,
वो सर
मैंने
वहाँ
एक्चुअली देखा था सर, एक्चुअली लिंक्डइन पे, तो वहाँ पे एक बंदे का था, तो मैं देखा था
पहले
उन पे कोई
नहीं
एक्सपायरी डेट नहीं।
पहले तो ये लाइफ टाइम फ्री दे रहे थे, अभी इन्होंने
ओके।
डाल दिया है 1 ईयर का, मतलब पिछले 1-1.5 साल से या 2 साल से दे हैव दिस 1 ईयर ऑफ प्रोविजन विद द फंडामेंटल आल्सो. अर्लियर इट वाज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट फॉर द लाइफ टाइम, देयर वाज नो रिन्यूअल
ओके
कॉस्ट
ओके
ऑफ दैट.
सर रिन्यू
ये-
करने के बाद फिर से एग्जाम देनी पड़ती
क्या करने के बाद?
है? रिन्यू करना है तो
हाँ, रिन्यू के टाइम पे फिर एग्जाम होता है. whenever you
ओके
are going to renew the certificate, you have to give the exams over and over again.
ओके सर.
सर द सेम अमाउंट विल बी पे फॉर दैट.
It depends on the market situation. If that time there will be discount, then there can be discounted prices. If the Microsoft will increase the price in future, then you have to pay the increased price as well. Right now it is $80. Microsoft is charging $80 for all the certificate. Whatever you do, fundamental, associate, professional, whatever you do, every certificate will cost you $80, which is around 4,500 something. Plus there will be GSTs, 18% GST and convenience platform charges also. So it will roughly come around 5,000 something for every certificate. You don't have to do the certificate right now. I am not recommending anyone to do it right away. Focus on your training part, get the job. Then after you can plan for it. I will tell you when the certificate part will be important, but right now don't stress yourself with the certificates, क्योंकि अभी तो शुरू भी नहीं किया तुमने cloud में. So
यस सर.
in the cloud we have a lot of series of certificates. So we have the certificate in the artificial intelligence, which is called AI. AI is not our field, it is not our job. We have the certificate in the Azure data science also. So the people who belong to the data scientist roles, they come up with the data certification also. We have the developer certificate as well. Developer certificate is for the software developer who are using their codes on the Azure cloud, who are developing the Azure solutions also. So that is for those people. We are not from this background. This is not something that we have to do. So AI certificate, data science certificate, and the developer certificate is not for us. Database certificates we can do, but it is not for those people who are not from the database background. If someone is working in the company as an on-premises database administrator, like SQL admin, MySQL admin, and they want to learn the Azure cloud, they want to manage the databases on Azure also, this certificate is for those people. For us, for the people like us, the admin people, we can do the red highlighted certificate like this, the Microsoft Certified Azure Administrator. It is one of the associate level training and certificate, and the exam code is AJ104, or you can also pronounce it as AZ104. This is the first associate level certificate in the Azure category for us. ये वाला जो certificate है, For us, it is AJ104. So the entry level engineers who wants to start their career in the cloud, in the Azure cloud, they can go with this level of certificates, AJ104. Then in the next level, if you want to go to the security, let's suppose you
Sir, it's
are
a
interested.
cloud security engineer means, sir.
Cloud security engineer means the people who are responsible for managing the security on the cloud portal. Like
Uh,
whatever infra we are running on the cloud, let's say virtual machines, the storage part, the user and group details, the object, the services. So cloud security engineer is the person who is responsible for maintaining the security of complete IT infra which is running on the Azure cloud. So they work on the defenders, they work on the sentinels, they work on the SIEM log analytics, and they handle the firewall of the company on the Azure cloud. So they maintain the complete level of cloud security.
uh,
So that is also one of the track. So the person who is interested in the security in future, if someone of you are interested in the cloud security jobs in future, then you can just jump to this part also, but not right now. In fresher level, you will not get the job in the security. In future, if you are interested, you must have some exposure with the real Azure cloud. Then you can go to the security profile as well after doing this training and certificate. So the certificate code is AJ500. So you can do it in future if you are interested in the Azure cloud security jobs. Yes, Mukesh?
I want to ask you, which types of skill required for security engineer like coding and something?
To become the Azure cloud security engineer, coding is not required. You must have at least 1 or 2 years of hands-on experience with the Azure cloud administration, which is majorly on the Azure Active Directory IaaS part. PaaS is average. PaaS is not required for becoming the Azure security engineer. You must have the exposure. You must have very good skills with the Azure Active Directory plus the Azure core networking option plus Azure infrastructure as a service. So at least you must have 1 or 2 years of experience on the real Azure cloud. Then you can plan this training and you can apply for the Azure security engineer jobs as well. So this is the part of cyber security. Codings is not required because
sir,
you are not developing any kind of solutions on the cloud.
सर एथिकल हैकिंग का नॉलेज क्या लगेगा क्या सर इसके लिए
No,
भी?
no. Ethical hacking is a different thing. In the ethical hacking, what you do in the ethical hacking, you are responsible for protecting the entire company from the attacks. Entire company means it can be anything. It can be physical database, it can be cloud database also, it can be the networking attacks also, it can be the server attacks also, it can be the application attack also. So you are responsible for everything. But on the cloud security jobs, you are only responsible for protecting the resource which is running on the cloud portal. So ethical hacking is a different thing where you do the penetration testing in the company. You are the vulnerability assessment engineer. You have to figure out the vulnerability. आपको कमियां निकालनी पड़ती है. Like what bugs we have in the company, what kind of vulnerabilities we have in the company, and for that you must know one of the programming language also. But for the cloud security jobs, and even there is one more field, network security engineer, they know the firewall very well. So network security engineer and for the cloud security engineer, coding is not required. You don't have to know any kind of coding, but Linux is the basic requirement, so you must be very good in the Linux also. So for security jobs, Linux plus at least 1 year of experience on the Azure cloud, and you must be very good with the Azure Active Directory plus infrastructure as a service part. Then you can do this kind of training and you can apply for the security jobs also. This is how the certificate will look like. Let me show you. I have this certificate also. I have a lot of certificate. This is my AJ500 certificate. This is how it will look like. So it also comes under the associate category. ये भी associate level का ही certificate होता है in the security. So in order to start the journey in the security jobs, the people starts with AJ500. So अगर आप लोग future में interested हो for the cloud security, you can plan this one also. But उससे पहले cloud पे job आपको real में करनी पड़ेगी. Otherwise, this certificate will be of no use because how will you ensure the security if you don't know how the real thing works? सो पढ़ने से कुछ नहीं होता, असली में जब काम करके चीजें समझोगे देन यू विल बी एबल टू मैनेज द सिक्योरिटी पार्ट, तब आप ये सर्टिफिकेट करोगे तो ज़्यादा बेटर है। अभी पढ़ना या इसको करना विल बी द वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम एंड द वेस्टेज ऑफ मनी ऑल्सो। सो फॉर सर्टिफिकेट वी हैव दिस ऑप्शन. If we are interested in security option in future, we can go for this certificate also, but this one is the base, AJ104. Then again the red highlighted one, the Microsoft Certified Solution Architect Expert. This is one of the expert level certificate in Azure, and this is one of the very tough certificate we have in the Azure. So this comes under the professional and expert category, and the code of the exam is AJ305. This certificate has maximum value in the Azure market. It is very recognizable, valuable certificate, and the high paid earners in the cloud job, they have this level of certificate also, and they are working on this kind of technology also. So certificate nahi bhi hai agar, so the senior people, the senior engineer, the SME, the architect, they work on this technology. So ये Azure का सबसे last level है. This is the last level of the Azure cloud. And in order to do this one, the person must have at least associate level of certificate. तो आप इस वाले एसोसिएट से भी ये कर सकते हो, और यू कैन डू इट आफ्टर द AJ500 as well. So this is the last level of the Azure cloud. Here you will be mostly focusing on the solutions. The PaaS services will come into the picture. The database, SQL, MySQL, Cassandra, MariaDB, MongoDB, that will come into the picture. The PaaS services, the migration from on-premises to cloud, the security part, the advanced level of security. So these things will be introduced in this particular training program. So this is the last level, and this comes under the expert category. So certificate is also different to crack.
Sir, have you done it? The
Yes,
certificate?
I have this one. I have this one because my company has the requirement for all these. Then we have the expert level certificate also, Azure DevOps Engineer. This is also the expert level exam, and the exam code is AJ400. Any person who is interested in the DevOps in future, they do this certificate. If anyone is interested in the Azure DevOps roles in future, they do this certificate. These two
Sir,
certificates
we
are
can.
the, yes, you can also. From, in order to do the DevOps certificate, you must have this one. From this,
AJ104,
yes,
right?
Sir, DevOps,
AJ104, you can go to this.
सर DevOps के लिए प्रोग्रामिंग लगता है क्या?
Programming expertise is not required, but you must have the scripting experience. Like you should know how the code works. तो कोड वोड करने का काम नहीं आना चाहिए आपको, उसकी जरूरत नहीं है. You don't have to know any programming or something, but you should know the basic syntax, that how the code works, what is the use of schema, what is the use of provider, what is the use of colon, what is the use of separator. So ये basic चीजें पता होनी चाहिए for going to the DevOps role, because you will be working with the developers of the company. So this is also very high paid job in the Azure cloud. These two are the very high paid job in the Azure cloud, plus security is also high paid job, of course. And this is one of the admin, so the entry level. So all the
सर
expert level of things are high
इस
paid actually.
इस लिस्ट में AJ 700 नहीं है ना? मतलब वो लिखा था मतलब इसमें
वो नहीं है, वो नहीं है, वो ABD का कोर्स है.
ओके ओके ओके.
बहुत सारे ऐसी, we have a lot of Azure certificates. If you want to see all of them, you can simply search. You can go to the Microsoft official site and you can search for Azure certification lists. So Microsoft introduce a lot of certificate time to time, so you can go to the Microsoft official link and you will be able to see it. I have only written down some of the important certificate which is helpful for us only, but apart from this we have a lot. So from here you can see we have a lot of certificates. There is one more AJ700 which is into the Azure Virtual Desktop. That is again not our field. So it is same like your Citrix BDI. So we have a lot of things in Azure. So from career path also you can refer it, for trainings also you can refer it. So whenever someone does the certificate from the Microsoft, they have to create the account from this portal. इस learning portal पे account बनाना पड़ता है in order to register any Microsoft exams. So when you will do it in future, then I will guide you how to do that. अभी तो उसकी जरूरत नहीं है. So we have a lot of certificate, and one more thing, in our syllabus, what we are going to cover. So let me open the syllabus part. So we have around 3 certificate coverage in our Azure syllabus. The first one is AJ 900 and I don't give any importance to this one. इसको मैं ज़्यादा importance देता नहीं हूँ. इसको मैंने इसलिए लिख दिया है because of course we are going to cover AJ 104 content and AJ 900 is the fundamental, so it is already included here. So इसको अलग से पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. This will be the part of AJ 104. So AJ 900 is the fundamental training. AJ 100 is the associate level of certificate that we are going to cover. Plus, we will also cover AJ 700, which is not mentioned in the list. AJ 700 is related to the core networking. Core networking on Azure. इसके बहुत सारे certificate है. Because for the real jobs, the interviewer will ask you the Azure administration knowledge plus the core networking is very important on the Azure. That is the reason we have to introduce this particular training program. So we are also going to cover this one, AJ 700, the core networking on Azure. इसके कंटेंट को मिला के भी इसमें ऐड किया गया है. So it's not only AJ 104. AJ 104 is not enough for you guys to get a job in the market. क्योंकि AJ 104 is helpful for those people who are already working on the server roles. If someone is working on the server profile or the networking jobs, if they want to move to the cloud, AJ 104 is somehow easy for them to crack and they can get the job in the cloud. Why? Because they already have their fundamentals clear that how the real data center works, how the on-premises thing works. उनको तो पता है ना. अगर कोई network admin है, that person knows how the real networking works in the company. If someone is working as a server admin, that person knows that how the server works in the on-premises. So उनके लिए cloud पे जाके AJ 104 करके cloud की job लेना is easy. But for you guys, you are coming from the support background, like desktop support mostly, service desk mostly. So you don't even know that how the on-premises data center works in the real infra. That is the reason the networking parts is very important on the core level. So this part has been introduced. आप लोगों की वजह से इसको introduce किया हुआ है क्योंकि आप job तो लगानी है आप लोगों को ultimately. So this training is completely customized with 3 level of certificates. AJ 900, which is like a fundamental only, so I don't give any importance to this. So the main certificate is going to be AJ 104 and AJ 700 content. तो ये दोनों मेन जो है कोर लेवल पे वी आर गोइंग टू कवर इन अवर सिलेबस. ये सारी चीजें हम कवर करेंगे इनमें. द कोर नेटवर्किंग, इन द कोर नेटवर्किंग वी हैव like load balancer, traffic manager, CDNs, application gateways, firewall, network security groups, application filtration groups, then peerings, gateway transit, point to site, express routes, virtual vans. So these are the topics of the core networking in Azure. So it is written here, इसमें लिखा हुआ है सब कुछ in the syllabus. So that we are going to cover in future. For your future, when you will start your job, you can plan for AJ 104 certificate. आप ये कर सकते हो. AJ 700 if you want to do, that's your choice. वरना करोगे नहीं तब भी आपका काम हो जाएगा क्योंकि जॉब के लिए ये वाला चाहिए स्टार्टिंग में. Yes, Mukesh?
First class I needed, sir. Syllabus send me for chat box.
You don't have the syllabus?
Yes, yes.
Okay, I will share it. No issue. मैं दे दूंगा आपको. ठीक है? क्लास के बाद I will share you the link so you can download it.
Okay, sir.
So in future, if you plan for the certificate, you can go for this one. You don't have to invest your money for AJ 700 certificate and AJ 104 certificate. One certificate is enough. But for your future growth, if you want to go for the architect level of positions, or if you want to remain in the cloud job, but if you want to become expert in managing the cloud as a senior engineer, as a L3, L4, L5 engineer, subject matter expert, architect, then you have to plan for AJ 305. If you want to go to the DevOps, you have to plan for the DevOps certificate, which is AJ 400, if you are interested in the DevOps. So cloud में Azure में job start करने के बाद you can plan for this one. If you are interested for security jobs, you can plan for AJ 500 certificate. So ये 3 certificate हमारे लिए काफी है. Networking, if you know, certificate is not required. Nobody asks for AJ700 certificate. These certificates have the highest value, AJ305, 400, 500 and AJ104. इनकी ज़्यादा value है market में as compared to any other certificates. Apart from that, we have a lot of certificate, AJ200, AJ800, but that is for the different people. हमारे लिए नहीं. जैसे for artificial intelligence people, they have AI900. For data science people, they have DP900. AJ204 for the developer. So that is not for us. हम इस field के बंदे नहीं है. We are the part of infra team. So we have to process only infra level of certificates. बाकी की चीजें हमें नहीं करनी. ये हमारे डेवलपर वगैरह हमारे काम का नहीं है. We are not coming from that background. We are not the Java developer. We are not the C# or Python developer. Nothing. So इस तरीके से आप चलोगे. Currently in our syllabus, we are going to cover the fundamental one, which is AJ900, the associate one, which is AJ104, and the core networking in Azure, which is AJ700. So these three are the certificate for the entry level people in the cloud job, in the Azure cloud. This content we will cover, plus there will be some additional topics also related to the real job that I have introduced in the syllabus. तो इस syllabus में सब लिखा हुआ है कौन कौन से additional topics है. Apart from that, we have the server module also. So we will discuss about the Windows server. Windows server भी पढ़ेंगे हम. It is also there in the syllabus. See, so whatever important options we have in the Windows server related to the job, we are going to cover that as well. क्योंकि Azure पढ़ के you are not going to get the job. क्योंकि Azure पे चलता क्या है? What we run on the Azure? We run the servers. So we should know about the server. How do they work practically? Otherwise, if you only know that, okay, this is the cloud, this is the VM, but if you don't know how the real server operates on the cloud, no one is going to hire you, because the responsibility of the cloud person is to manage the complete Azure infrastructure. So in the Azure infrastructure, server also comes. So that is the reason the Windows server is also there. Windows server भी पढ़ेंगे हम लोग. These topics will be there. Then we will discuss about the interview preparation topics, the issues, the troubleshooting and everything. That will be in the last. तो इस तरीके से हमारी पढ़ाई होने वाली है. This is how we are going to work. So today will be the first class of your main Azure topic. In the previous two classes, it was the introduction only.
हेलो सर.
Yes.
सर एक क्वेश्चन था एक्चुअली. सो हमारे एंट्री लेवल जॉब के लिए क्या सर्टिफिकेट लगेगा क्या?
देखो कुछ कुछ कंपनी में लगता है. जैसे if you are going for the TCS company, HCL company, they will definitely ask for it. मतलब उनका तो है कि if you are the certified professional, we will give you the importance. But in most of the company, certificate is not the criteria for hiring. The very first thing which is required to get the job is the real level exposure with the things. So if you have the real level knowledge, how the real infra works, how the real practical thing works, then they will hire you. But in some company, they have the requirement like if you are certified plus if you have the real exposure also, then we will hire you. So that
Like, sir,
depends upon company to company.
sir, someone going to interview on the LTI Mindtree. So on that time, they asking for their certifications. Any?
LTI Mindtree, again, it depends what kind of profile is it. If it is a client facing role, then they can ask you, because there are some client who will say that we need the certified engineers. But for not for every client they need the certificate. But in LTI Mindtree, there are some clients who need the certificate from the people. So if they will hire you also without certificate, they will arrange the certificate cost for you as well. So you have to do it after the job. Then the company will sponsor it. If they have the requirement, they do it in that way. I have worked with the Mindtree also. That time it was only Mindtree. LTI was different. So now they have collaborative together, so they are working together as a LTI Mindtree India Limited. But I have worked with the Mindtree earlier.
So you're talking about that AZ104 certificate?
Not AJ104, AJ104, 104.
Oh, 104, yeah.
Yeah.
So we have to so after this course we can clear that, right?
Yes, you can. But I will not advise. See, again, I told you, if you feel that you have to do the certificate just to increase the interview call chances, then you can go for it. Otherwise, you don't have to do it.
But you told us some company requires the certificate,
yes, some
right?
companies, yes. This is why. See, after the certificate clearance, the interview calls are going to get increased because you will get the call from those companies also who are asking for the certificates.
Okay.
If you are interested, you can you can plan for that. Otherwise, it is not a very compulsory thing that you have to do it.
In interview, interviewer ask question Windows Server if Azure
Only
first
Azure. For the cloud
मतलब
job, only Azure questions will be
बट
asked.
बट बेसिक पूछेंगे ना विंडोज सर्वर पे
नहीं, बेसिक मतलब
ये विंडोज सर्वर का तो पता होना चाहिए ना बेसिकली
जो पता होना चाहिए वो मैं बताऊंगा, लेकिन वैसे नहीं पूछेंगे एडवांस लेवल पे, क्योंकि आप लोग सर्वर मैनेज नहीं करोगे, यू विल बी मैनेजिंग द क्लाउड ओनली।
इट्स ओके क्लाउड मैनेज बट वो विंडोज पे भी कुछ पता होने के लिए वो पूछेंगे ना बेसिक लेवल पे
हाँ,
ऐसे
वो बेसिक नहीं, वो पूछेंगे तो एडवांस पे ही, तभी तो मैं बता रहा हूँ ना,
हाँ एडवांस
मैं बताऊंगा वो चीजें,
ओके ओके
पूछेंगे वो, जितना पूछेंगे दैट आई विल टेल यू, डोंट वरी। And regarding the certificate, don't stress yourself. In future, if you want to do it, you can get in touch with the admin team of eVision. They have the collaboration with the certificate vendors as well. So they will help you with the certificates. Whatever certificate you want to do in Azure, they will just help you with that part as well. But अभी उसका stress मत लो, आपको certificate के बिना भी job मिल जाएगी, ठीक है? Don't worry
लाइक
about it.
सर छोटे मतलब छोटे स्टार्टअप कंपनी होते हैं वो लाइकली मतलब वो
देखो,
सर्टिफिकेट
स्टार्टअप कंपनी में Azure नहीं यूज होता।
ओके सो मतलब हायर करता है सर्टिफिकेशन के बिना ऐसा कोई मतलब कौन सी कंपनी मतलब छोटा कंपनी या
यार,
बड़ा कंपनी
बड़ी कंपनी में ही एज्योर यूज होता है, छोटी कंपनी में नहीं होता है एज्योर।
तो वो लोग सर्टिफिकेशन बिना ले लेते हैं हमको
हाँ, तो क्यों नहीं लेते? अब मेरे पास सारे सर्टिफिकेट थोड़ी है। आई हैव द एक्सपीरियंस, बिकॉज ऑफ माई एक्सपीरियंस आई एम गेटिंग हायर्ड। सर्टिफिकेट ना, क्लाइंट पता है क्या होता है, वो जैसे तुम्हारी कोई क्लाइंट की जॉब है, क्लाइंट समझते हो ना?
हाँ 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 हाँ
तो क्लाइंट, कुछ
यस
कुछ
सर
क्लाइंट ऐसे होते हैं ना कि वो बोलते हैं कि यार वी आर पेइंग दिस रेंज, क्योंकि देखो सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनी में सैलरी ना क्लाइंट की वजह से आती है, दैट इज द रियलिटी। तो कुछ कुछ क्लाइंट ऐसे होते हैं कि वो कहते हैं कि यार इन ऑर्डर टू प्रूव द इम्पोर्टेंस फॉर अवर कंपनी वी नीड द सर्टिफिकेट, वरना उसका कुछ। अब मेरे पास जो ये सर्टिफिकेट्स है ना, ये सारे ये कभी मांगते थोड़ी है, मेरा सिलेक्शन हो गया उसके बाद ये लेते भी नहीं है वेरिफिकेशन में, ऐसे ही पड़े हुए हैं ये बस
But
है मेरे पास।
but I have seen in Naukri, some company they actually mention completely that we need the
Yes, if
certification.
they
दैट आई
need
हैव
it, then
आस्क्ड
they will ask it. If any company is rigorously asking for the certificate, they will let you know in the advance also. Once they will call you, they will ask you that do you have this certificate? If you will say no, if they need it, they will definitely say that we are looking for the people who are the certified person in this technology.
So better to have the certificate, right?
Of course, you can go for it if you want to.
Yeah, sir, for every certificate compulsory, we need to write the exam, sir. We need to clear the
Yes,
exam, then you
yes,
can get
yes,
the
yes,
certificate,
yes.
So
like basic level.
we'll be giving in the center, right?
It is online actually. No center requirement is there. There will be
But I have
Pearson
seen
View
that
Center.
architect certification they actually give in the center.
No. It can be online. You can book all the certificates online. You must have your personal area in your home where you can give the certificate examination. It will be on the camera, and it is a Pearson View exam. If you want to go for center, you can go for it, but that is the matter of center availability. If the center is available, then you can go there. If that is not there, then you have to give it online only. In most of the areas, the online option is there, not the center option. And in the online option, you get the chance to book the exam 24 hours back. Like, let's suppose you want to give the exam tomorrow, so you can book it 24 hours back. But for the center, it has to be like 1 month or 2 months as per the availability of the center. If the center is not available, you will not get the chance to book the slot.
How much cost, sir, for basic level, like 188, 104? How much cost we can get?
For every certificate, it is $80. Whether it is expert level, whether it is fundamental, whether it is associate, all the certificates Microsoft is charging $80.
Okay.
And the companies who
Sir,
are the
what is the
Microsoft,
associate charge? Associate certificate charge, sir?
$80. It's around
Okay.
4,500 plus GST something.
There are
Okay, got it.
4800 right now.
Got it.
4800. I don't know the dollar charges right away, but it's like $80. You can convert it to the Indian currency as per the market rate of the dollar. Then you will get it. So I think it's 4,700, 4,800 plus there will be GST also. So somewhere it will cost you around 5,000 rupees. You can just understand that part.
सर प्रैक्टिस कहाँ से करनी पड़ती है वैसे
There are
एग्जाम
dumps that you can download from the Microsoft side, and whomsoever is going to arrange the exams for you, they will provide you with the dumps also. You can do the practice from those series of questions.
ट्रेनिंग भी प्रोवाइड होती है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वेबसाइट पे
उसकी ट्रेनिंग थोड़ी होती है एग्जाम देने की.
हाँ
वो तो
हाँ
यही है ना, AJ 104 पढ़ा, उसके बाद फिर तैयारी करी, फिर एग्जाम दिया.
मॉक
अगर इसका
टेस्ट
देना
वगैरह
हो
होते
तो.
होंगे सिर्फ उसमें
हाँ, वो डम्प्स जो होते हैं वो मॉक
हाँ
टेस्ट
हाँ
होते हैं.
ओके ओके सर ओके
That you
थैंक यू
can download. जिसके थ्रू आप एग्जाम करोगे ना, the
हाँ
training
हाँ
company or the partner who is going to arrange your exam, they will give you the dumps
ओके ओके
from the official site, so you can prepare from that also.
ओके सर थैंक यू
ठीक है.
सर मान लीजिए कि हम हमारे पास तो एक्सपीरियंस भी नहीं है रियल लाइफ एंड रियल वर्ल्ड का एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है और सर्टिफिकेशन भी नहीं है, तो कंपनी सर्टिफिकेशन अगर नहीं मांगेगा तो उनको उनको वो तो रियल वर्ल्ड एक्सपीरियंस मांगेगा, तो उस टाइम हम मतलब
देखो,
कैसे डील
अगर तुम
करेंगे
पे
उसको?
सर्टिफिकेट होगा भी ना, तब भी वो एक्सपीरियंस ही मांगेगी.
हाँ
सर्टिफिकेट इंडिया में ना, इन इंडिया, to get the certificate, it's the matter of pinch. You can easily get it. इंडिया में जुगाड़ चलता है.
हाँ सर मेरे को पता है वो चीज़.
Okay, so certificate कोई भी ले लेता है इंडिया में. It's not a very big deal to get the certificate in India. It's not a US where you have to study for 3 months, 4 months, then you will be appearing for the examination. It's India and everyone knows about it. The manager who is taking your interview, they also know that this person has cleared the examination. There are 5% people who will clear the examination with the right sources, but 95% of the people are not clearing up the examination with the right sources. So everyone knows. So for every job, the knowledge matters actually. A certificate act, this is like one of the showcasing thing that you have the certificate, so you will get the advancement in the interview. You will get the advantage. When it comes to the salary negotiation, you will be having the advantage that I have experience also, I have real skill set also, plus I have the certificate also. That is the reason I'm expecting this salary. ये इसका इतना रोल है, ये समझ लो. बाकी कुछ कुछ कंपनी में तो चाहिए ही चाहिए, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि यू आर सर्टिफाइड देन यू विल गेट द जॉब. सर्टिफिकेट ले लिया तो इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि बिना इंटरव्यू के दे विल हायर यू. दे विल आस्क यू द क्वेश्चन, बस इतना बता दोगे बस यू आर सर्टिफाइड, बस उसके बाद दे विल आस्क यू द क्वेश्चन. ऐसा नहीं है इंटरव्यू नहीं होगा. इंटरव्यू विल बी देयर. There will be proper interview with the questions, with the requirement that they have. If you will crack that, then only they will select you. It's not about the certificate game कि certificate है तो ही आपको लेंगे. ऐसा थोड़ी है, सर्टिफिकेट है तो रातों रात ले लो, रातों रात मैं दिलवा देता हूँ सर्टिफिकेट. जस्ट टेक इट. इंटरव्यू करके जॉब थोड़ी ना मिलेगी.
If you pay money for the revision admin means they will give sir this agent 104 certificate.
Yeah, they have also the collaboration with the team. They can also get it arranged. Okay.
Certificate means you're telling that certificate is not a matter, but reality knowledge is matter based on certificate that should be
Yes, yes. You will get the
in fact.
advantage, you can say, if you have the certificate also. In the interview, you will get the advantage of negotiation. So you will be
Yes,
given
yes.
much importance. But if you only have the certificate without any knowledge, no one is going to hire you. Just make this thing into your mind. No one is going to hire you without knowledge. Knowledge के बिना hiring नहीं होती है. सर्टिफिकेट विकेट ये तो आते जाते रहते हैं. ओके.
सर उस समय तो मतलब रियल लाइफ का भी तो कोई नॉलेज नहीं है ना हमारे पास, मतलब आईटी का नॉलेज है,
वो दे रहा हूँ ना, तभी
मतलब
तो
वो तो
पढ़ा रहा हूँ.
थियोरेटिकली है, मतलब अब तो कंपनी में कोई काम नहीं किया ना.
अबे तो प्रैक्टिकल अभी पढ़ाई का है हमने.
हाँ,
अभी तो
मतलब
शुरू किया है.
नहीं नहीं सर, मेरा वो क्वेश्चन बोल रहे हैं कि एक्चुअली हमारे रियल लाइफ तो कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है. जब हम इंटरव्यू देने जाएंगे तब वो
हाँ
पूछेंगे
तो
तुम्हारा
तभी
ड्यूअल.
सुनो, रियल लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है तभी तो एंट्री लेवल जॉब पे जा रहे हो ना. रियल लाइफ होता तो फिर सीनियर इंजीनियर के लिए नहीं भेजता मैं तुम्हें. तभी तो मैंने बोला एंट्री लेवल जॉब्स यू आर गोइंग टू गेट इन द क्लाउड. समझ गए? L1 L2 are the entry level jobs in the cloud market. If you really have the experience with the cloud, then no one is going to send you in the L1 L2 level of jobs.
But a real level is not expensive from Windows Server. Then,
समझा नहीं मैं. I did not get it.
if real level Windows Server का एक्सपीरियंस नहीं होगा तो
तो उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? विंडो सर्वर वाले
सर
बंदे
समटाइम्स
ही
सर
क्लाउड
वो
पे काम करेंगे, ये किसने बोला?
सर समटाइम्स सर एंट्री लेवल जॉब में भी सर वो एक्सपीरियंस मांगता है कुछ। बहुत टाइम पे देखा देखा था मैंने वो लिंक्डइन और ये पे।
That division team is going to manage. If that is the requirement, don't worry about it, okay?
ओके
सर
सर।
सेम इशू मेरे साथ हुआ था इंटरव्यू के टाइम पे।
See, whatever issues will be there, if there is a requirement of experiences, if whatever is required, don't worry about it. Division placement cell is there. So
नो
after
सर,
the
ये
course
लोग कह रहे हैं ना
completion,
कि
hmm,
सर्टिफिकेट इज मैंडेटरी फॉर जॉब। सो
who is
जब
who is
मैंने
who is
सर
saying?
फर्स्ट चैलेंज सर।
नहीं, who is saying about certificate which is mandatory for the job?
नो सर, अभी लाइक सब लोग अभी कह रहे हैं ना कि सर्टिफिकेट मैंडेटरी होता है जॉब के लिए। तो
मैंने
जब
बोल
मैं
दिया ना,
सर,
नहीं होता।
हाँ हाँ, मैं वही सर इनको थोड़ा सा बता रहा हूँ कि जब मैंने नोएडा इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट ज्वाइन किया था ना,
हम्म
डेट टाइम दे आर आस्किंग फॉर CCNA सर्टिफिकेट। सो मैंने क्लाइंट राउंड सब कुछ क्लियर कर लिया था और मैं हायर भी हो गया था। जब मेरी ज्वाइनिंग आई थी उसके बाद में सर किसी ने ही नहीं पूछा कि आप CCNA सर्टिफाइड हो या फिर कुछ हो, बिकॉज वो स्टार्टअप था। मतलब नोएडा इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट अभी तो मतलब काफी अच्छी कंपनी हो गई है, मतलब एयरपोर्ट बिल्ड करी। बट आफ्टर जब मैंने सब कुछ अपना नॉलेज उन्हें दिया, टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू सब कुछ क्लियर किया, तो उसके बाद किसी ने नहीं पूछा कि आप CCNA सर्टिफाइड हो या कुछ हो। अभी मेरे को 2 साल वही कंपनी में हो गया, आज तक के उनने नहीं पूछा मुझसे।
नहीं करते, मैं बता रहा हूँ ना। देखो, अगर आपकी जॉब लग भी गई ना, अगर उनको जरूरत है वाकई में, वो करवाते हैं सर्टिफिकेट। मेरे साथ थी, मेरे को उनको चाहिए था कि मैं डेवऑप्स क्लियर करूं ऑन माय रोल, क्योंकि आई एम ऑन द SME रोल। सो उनको रिक्वायरमेंट थी कि भाई इन ऑर्डर टू प्रेजेंट माई सेल्फ विद द क्लाइंट, उनको चाहिए था। तो मेरे को करवाया उन्होंने, वो उन्होंने रीइंबर्स किया सारा ट्रेनिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, तो
सर एक
करवाएगी वो। डोंट वरी अबाउट इट। अब थोड़ा पढ़ लेते हैं, ठीक है? ये सर्टिफिकेट विकेट के
सर
क्वेश्चन अभी दिमाग में मत डालो।
सर यूडेमी सर्टिफिकेट का कोई वैल्यू है क्या सर?
नहीं नहीं, नथिंग। ओनली ग्लोबल सर्टिफिकेट्स आर वैल्यूएबल। कहीं से भी कुछ भी कर लो, कोर्सेरा, एड्यूरेका, यूडेमी, सिंपली लर्न, वो दिखा लगा सकते हो कि मैंने इतनी इतनी चीजें पढ़ ली है, ये है वो है। यूडेमी सर्टिफिकेट की भी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है।
मीन्स वी कैन ऐड इट ऑन दैट
हाँ, बस
रिज्यूमे।
इट इज जस्ट यू कैन एड इट दैट आई हैव टेकन दिस ट्रेनिंग फ्रॉम यूडेमी एंड आई एम सर्टिफाइड इन दिस।
ओके
For
सर।
everything, just we need to focus on action, not on results, sir, in this cloud set.
Okay, so don't worry about the certificate part. We will discuss about that part later on when the right time will come. अभी पहले पढ़ लेते हैं थोड़ा, अभी तो शुरू तो कर लो कुछ, तब सर्टिफिकेट की सोचना। So let's start the first part of your Azure. So we have discussed about the certifications, what kind of certificate we can have and what we have to focus on. So initially you can focus on AJ104, AJ700 as part of our course module, and we are going to cover these two part as well in the associate and the core networking part. So for the practicals, what you guys have to do, you have to create the accounts on the Azure portal. You have to add one of the subscription. आपको एक subscription चाहिए practical के लिए. How will you get it? So you can create a free account on the Azure. Let me tell you how the account looks like first, then I will tell you the procedure. So let me log in into the account. This is the kind of account that we have in the Azure. इस तरीके का account होता है. In the real company also the same account will be there. No changes, nothing. Exact the same portal will be given to you in the real company for the practicals, for the experimentation, for the infra management. यही होता है, कोई changes नहीं होते, ये पूरा portal same होगा as it is ditto. Background can be changed. ये जो color है blue वाला, it can be black, it can be pink, as per your requirement you can change it from here. From appearance you can change it, but the portal will be same. No changes, nothing. So इसी portal पे हम लोग काम करेंगे. We are going to do all the practicals. We are going to learn the complete Azure on this portal only. From the day one to the last, this portal will be same. Even in your future also, whatever job you will be doing on the Azure cloud, for your advancement also, whatever training you will take, Azure DevOps, Azure Security, Azure Architect Expert, it will be done on the same portal. Same portal पे ही सारी trainings होगी future में भी. So this is going to be the same portal. Nothing is different in the company regarding this portal. कोई भी चीज different नहीं होगी. How the things will be working, how the logins will be working, that I will tell you. So you have to create your account on this portal. You can create it free of cost. What you need is you need one of the email address. It can be the Gmail address or it can be the outlook.com address. Outlook.com address in the sense it should not be the Outlook ID that you are using in the company. वो वाली नहीं. Outlook.com means there is a domain like Gmail where you can create your email ID here, outlook.com. Just go here and from here you can create your email IDs. यहाँ से ऐसे करके एक ID बनती है हमारी. So you can use this one also. Otherwise, if you have the Gmail also, that will also work. अगर आपके पास Gmail है, that is also okay. So you must have one of the email address in order to register to the cloud portal. Plus, for the authentication, the card will be required for every cloud service provider. So debit card is acceptable, credit card is also acceptable, but the debit and the credit card should be Visa or Mastery only. Rupee card will not be acceptable for authorizing to the cloud portal. AWS, Azure, GCP, Alibaba, whatever cloud you are going to use, they need the card for registering to the account. They are not going to deduct any money from the cards. It is just for the authentication and validation that you are the right person who is using their service. So authenticity के लिए that you are not a robot or you are not any illegitimate kind of person, you are not a hacker. They need your authenticated details. That is the reason they will ask you the valid card from you. सारे cloud में. It's not only with the Azure, it's with AWS as well, Azure, GCP, Alibaba, whatever. Yes, Vishal.
सर मैं बोल रहा था कि एक डेबिट कार्ड से कितना अकाउंट बना सकते हैं फ्री ट्रायल का?
एक से एक ही बनेगा. एक कार्ड एक ही बार यूज होगा फ्री ट्रायल के लिए. ठीक है. So it can be debit, it can be credit, but the card should be Visa or Maestro. Visa or Maestro card ही होना चाहिए. Some of you might be having the Rupee card, so Rupee card is not acceptable because Microsoft and the AWS, these are the US based organization. So Rupee is the domestic card only. International transaction does not work there. So Visa and Maestro card is only acceptable for creating the portal. तो पोर्टल बनाने के लिए आपके पास कार्ड आपके नाम पे हो ये जरूरी नहीं है. It should not be your card. It's not necessary. You can use your friend's card. You can use your father's card, mother's card, brother, sister, whatever. You can use it. क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है कि आपका अकाउंट है तो आपका ही कार्ड होना चाहिए. But it should be authorized card. चलता हुआ होना चाहिए. If it is any expired card, it will not work. तो जरूरी नहीं है आपका ही हो. You can use your friend's card also, but it should be working. One more thing. The international transaction should be enabled first time. ये जो international transactions होता है कार्ड के ऊपर, it must be enabled on the cards because at the time of account creation 1 or 2 rupees will be deducted for checking that whether you are the legitimate person or not, and that will be refunded back to you within 15 working days. वो वापस भी मिल जाएंगे आपको. इस वजह से international transaction should be enabled.
सर वो कैसे ऑन होता है, मतलब एक्चुअली वो तो
देखो
पता नहीं.
by default it is on. If it is not on, then you can open the mobile banking application on your mobile phone and you can go to the card settings and from there you can enable it. If you don't have the mobile banking application, you can log in into the net banking application also, net banking portal, and from there in the card settings you can enable the international transaction. If you don't get that option, you can call to your bank customer care number as well and you can ask them to enable it. So by default ये enable होता है वैसे, but अगर नहीं है so you have to get it enabled. खुद से enable करो चाहे इसको
वन
कर
मंथ के लिए होगा ना हम लोग का पास?
अभी अभी आ रहा हूँ उस पे. This part is clear? Anyone have any doubt on this?
Access
सर
limit amount.
एजोर में
सर
तो एक एजोर लर्न बोल के एक
हेलो
एजोर सैंडबॉक्स भी
हेलो
होता है, तो उसमें कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन है क्या?
उसके लिए फिर कंपनी को सब्सक्रिप्शन परचेज करना पड़ता है
नहीं मतलब
सैंडबॉक्स के लिए.
मैंने मतलब हर डे क्या होता है ना कि 10 देता है वो, मतलब 1 घंटे के लिए तो 10 घंटे हुआ हर डे.
देखो 10 नहीं देता वो. उसमें पता है क्या होता है, उसमें जो कंपनी सब्सक्रिप्शन लेती है ना पेरेंट, वो उनके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है वो आपको कितना देना चाहती है. $10, $5, $2. तो उस तरीके से आपको एक पोर्टल दे देंगे, उतना ही आप यूज कर पाओगे बस.
क्योंकि मैंने किया है 2-3 प्रैक्टिकल एक्चुअली.
सैंडबॉक्स होता है एक. एज्योर लर्निंग पोर्टल होता है
लर्निंग
वो।
पोर्टल में। हाँ, वो भी मैंने 2-3-4 प्रैक्टिकल किया है एजेड
सर
और
विदाउट कॉस्ट का एक्चुअली
विदाउट कॉस्ट में ही किया है मैंने एक्चुअली, तो इसलिए
हम्म,
पूछ रहा हूँ आपके
वो
आपसे।
ट्रायल दिया होगा ना आपको।
नहीं सर, ट्रायल नहीं है, मतलब हम डेली यूज करते हैं, मतलब जब
डेली ही करते हैं।
खुद का यूज कर रहे हो या कंपनी ने दिया हुआ है सैंडबॉक्स?
नहीं
कुछ
कुछ
कंपनी के, हम तो नेटवर्क सपोर्ट में काम करते हैं ना।
कुछ कंपनी का कोई नहीं है, वो अपने यहाँ जीमेल से ही खोला
अच्छा,
हुआ है
आपने
सर।
खुद ही रजिस्टर कर लिया होगा
हाँ
सैंडबॉक्स।
हाँ सर, यस सर।
हाँ, वो भी कर सकते हो, बट उसमें सारे प्रैक्टिकल नहीं कर पाओगे अभी, क्योंकि उसमें बजट लिमिट
हाँ
हो
हाँ,
जाएगी
ये
फिर।
नहीं
वही
सर,
मैं आपको वही आपको
एसक्यूएल एसक्यूएल का नहीं हो पाएगा, बहुत
हाँ,
नहीं हो।
पैस सर्विसेज नहीं कर पाओगे।
हाँ, ओके ओके ओके।
स्कीम ही वही
खुला
है।
है, बट उसमें कॉस्ट मैनेजमेंट बिलिंग दिख रहा है।
ओके, आई विल ऑल्सो टेल यू अबाउट दैट पार्ट एज वेल, वो भी बताऊंगा मैं फ्यूचर में कैसे करना है, बट फॉर नाउ यू हैव टू क्रिएट वन ऑफ द एज्योर पोर्टल विद द फुल एक्सेस. So this portal that you will create, it is valid for 1 month. The
So, sir,
free
we have
portal
to
is
pay some
valid for
amount for
no,
accessing this
no,
portal.
no, nothing. This portal is valid for 1 month with the full access. This is called free trial period. After that, the portal will be valid for 12 months, but the limited services will be working over here. मतलब 1 महीने के लिए पूरा पोर्टल चलेगा, उसके बाद 1 साल के लिए एक्टिव रहेगा, बट बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं हो पाएगी. So for after that, if you want to upgrade your portal, you can upgrade it to pay as you go subscription. Otherwise, you can create a new account as well. वो सब मैं बाद में
सर
बताऊंगा आपको
एक और
कैसे
क्वेश्चन है
करना है.
सर, वो अगर हम एक अकाउंट क्रिएट करते हैं, ठीक है सर, तो वो अकाउंट सर हम क्या एक ही सिस्टम में चला सकते हैं या दूसरा सिस्टम में भी चला सकते हैं?
कहीं से भी चलाओ, मोबाइल पे भी चला लो.
मतलब मैंने एक अपना एक अकाउंट खोला, ठीक है सर, वो वही डेबिट कार्ड से, तो खोलने के बाद मैंने अपने सिस्टम में किया, तो वही अकाउंट दूसरे ये में लॉगिन करके चला
हाँ
सकते हैं ना?
हाँ, कर सकते हो. पोर्टल ही तो है वो, कहीं से भी लॉगिन कर लो.
अच्छा।
ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि जिस सिस्टम में खोला, सिस्टम में थोड़ी खोल रहे हो आप अकाउंट, आप तो ब्राउजर पे खोल रहे हो ना, पोर्टल
हाँ
पे
हाँ
रजिस्टर कर रहे हो, तो ये पोर्टल कहीं पे भी लॉगिन कर लो.
हाँ।
ठीक है,
ओ-
इसके लिए जरूरी नहीं है कि आपका ही अपना डिवाइस होना चाहिए, अपने दोस्त के में कर लो. दिस पोर्टल इज एक्सेसिबल फ्रॉम एनी लोकेशन, देयर इज नो रिस्ट्रिक्शन फॉर दिस. If it is a company laptop and the company has blocked this link, then you will not be able to access it on the company laptop for some company. Otherwise, it is openly accessible. You can use any system to access this Azure portal. It is accessible on the internet. So you have to create this account. How will you create the account? Let me tell you the process. Let me sign out from here first. So in order to create the Azure account, you need to go to the Google पे जाएंगे आप लोग, and here you need to type Azure free account. You have to type this one, Azure free account. Enter. You will get one of the Microsoft official link, azure.microsoft.com free, and here you will get one of the hyperlink, create your Azure free account today. So you have to click on this one, just click, and you will get the option to start free. Let me give you this link into the chat box. So this is there in the chat. You can use it. So right now, don't create the account, just understand the process, then you can create it later on as well. So we have two options to create the account. The first one is start free, and the second one is pay as you go. Start free is like a trial account that Microsoft provides for the learners who want to learn the Azure cloud, so they can create the free trial account. Here, Microsoft is going to give you around 16,000 rupees in your Azure portal. 16,000 के करीब आपको माइक्रोसॉफ्ट अपने आप आपके पोर्टल में फ्री में दे देगा. दैट इज नॉट द मनी एक्चुअली, दैट इज द क्रेडिट. वो आपको पैसे नहीं मिलेंगे उसके. दैट इज द क्रेडिट वैल्यू विच विल रिफ्लेक्ट इन योर एज्योर पोर्टल, एंड यू कैन यूज द एंटायर मनी फॉर योर प्रैक्टिकल. मतलब जो आपका फ्री ट्रायल का अकाउंट होगा, एट आई टोल्ड यू दैट इज वैलिड फॉर 1 month completely. So for 1 month you can use that money, that 16-17,000 rupees for your practical, because every cloud service provider operates on pay as you go model. So whatever practical we do, there are the service subscription charges for that. That is the reason Microsoft is going to give you the money that you can utilize, and 16-17,000 rupees you will not be able to use in a month. Only hardly 400-300 rupees will be used, even not that. सारे पैसे आपके ऐसे ही बर्बाद हो जाएंगे वो वाले. But that is a free thing, so you can use it. आपके account में नहीं आएगा, so don't feel very happy that you will be getting 16,000 rupees. Nothing. It is just a credit that will reflect in your portal that you can utilize for your practicals on the free account. After that, the free credit will be expired. Account will be active for 12 months, which is 1 year. You will be able to do most of the practicals, but not all. Some services will be restricted. If you will scroll down, you will see there will be some popular service that will be free for 12 months. If you will click here, you will be able to see the list of that. There are 55 plus services which is always free. Even after one year also, 55 plus services will be always free. And in the starting, when you create the free account, you get US dollar 200. US dollar 200 will be somewhere around 16,000 or 16,500 something as per the Indian currency. So पैसे वैसे आपके कुछ कटने वाले नहीं है. Okay, no one is going to deduct any money from you. कोई पैसा वैसा नहीं कटेगा. Don't be under that kind of impression. पैसा आपको देंगे वो प्रैक्टिकल करने के लिए, but not in your account. It will be on the portal only. After 1 month, if you want to create a new account, you can. I told you you can use anyone's card and you can create a new account. But I would suggest you that after 1 month, if you don't want to create a new account every time, because you need this portal in your life. Once you will start working on the Azure cloud, you must have one of the Azure portal so that you can upgrade yourself also in future. जब आप फ्यूचर में Azure पे जॉब करोगे, so there will be multiple issues that will come in the company and you have to do the troubleshooting. So for troubleshooting, you will want to reproduce the issue at your end. मतलब आपको अपने end पे issue भी reproduce करना पड़ेगा for the personal practicals. So you can use your own portal because company will not give you any portal for your personal practicals. If you are doing any advanced level of courses in the future, you definitely need one of the portal. क्योंकि कभी आगे की ट्रेनिंग करोगे like Azure DevOps, Azure Security or Azure Architect Expert, so you need the portal access. So you must have the portal in future also. और बार बार एक एक महीने के बाद if you want to create new account, that is your personal choice. Otherwise you can create one of the permanent portal after 1 month also. For permanent portal, you can upgrade your account to pay as you go. Pay as you go में आप convert कर सकते हो. You can upgrade your free trial account to the pay as you go after 1 month is completed. For pay as you go, it is one of the paid account, but you don't have to pay anything in the initial go. Starting में कुछ भी pay नहीं करना है. Even ऐसे भी कुछ pay नहीं करना है. Microsoft or any other cloud will only charge you for the services that you will use. जितना आप use करोगे उतना ही pay करना होता है. It is for every cloud. It is not with the Azure only. This is the fundamental practice with every cloud. So company वाले भी जितना use करते हैं उतना pay करते हैं उनको. It is like a rent model. I told you in the first class. Pay as you go. Rent whatever you are using, you are only paying for that. If you are using 5 servers, you have to pay the rent of the 5 servers to the Microsoft as per the rate of the timing that you have used it. So there is no monthly charges on the paid account also. You have to use only the thing that you are using. So ऐसा नहीं है कि monthly मेरे को इतना पैसा कुछ देना है या starting में कुछ देना है. Nothing you have to give. If you are using something and if there is any bill, अगर आपने कुछ use किया है उसका bill बना है, then you have to pay it. Otherwise no. So ये हो गया pay as you go account का फंडा. The account that I am using right now, it is one of the paid account. Let me show you how does it look like. So वो दिखता बिल्कुल free वाले की तरह ही है. It will look like the free account. And in the company, they are the paid account holders. They don't have the free account. Company में free का account नहीं होता. They all have the paid account like me. So this is one of the paid account. If you go to the subscription, I will tell you what is this subscription tomorrow, not today. And if you will click on the subscription, you will find in the overview that this is one of the pay as you go account. Pay as you go means whatever I will use, I have to pay that. So last month, I have paid the bill of 615 rupees, which was for 1 month. If you will go to my invoices history, so every month I have to pay something because I am using this portal for training also and for my personal practicals also. So on last year, on 4th of August, it was around 0 rupees that I have paid. Not 0, yeah, it was 1173. Then in this month, I have to pay this one, then this one, then 700 something, then 214 rupees, 203 rupees, 600 rupees. So you can see the bills are in different categories. So whatever I use, accordingly I have to pay to the Microsoft. So I am getting such kind of bills because I am using this portal for a lot of trainings. I have 3 batches running on here in the Avision also, and plus I also use it for high end practicals for the automation. तो इसलिए मेरे तो 400 500 हजार के बिल आ भी जाते हैं. अभी लास्ट बिल मेरा 615 का था for 1 month. I have to pay it, so I have done it already. 639 का भी बिल है, कभी मेरा 200 रुपए का भी है, कभी you can see it
सर
is
एक क्वेश्चन है
41
सर।
only. Yes.
सर मैंने एक कोई सर्विस चलाया है, लेट्स सपोज सर वो हमने एक वर्चुअल मशीन क्रिएट किया, तो वो वर्चुअल मशीन क्रिएट करने के बाद मैंने वो देख लिया कि वो चालू है कि नहीं, वो सिर्फ हमने देख लिया। उसके बाद मैंने उस सर्विस को मैंने बंद कर दिया, तो उसके लिए भी चार्जेस क्या सेम ही रहेगा क्या?
जितने टाइम के लिए चलाया ना, जितने मिनट के लिए, उसके बाद
हाँ
डिलीट कर दिया, उतने
मीन्स
मिनट की चार्ज कैलकुलेट होगी.
अच्छा, मतलब ओके, क्योंकि वहां पर जब हम क्रिएट करते हैं तो एक चार्जेस दिखाता है,
हाँ,
ये 1 आवर तक
वो
चलेगा।
1 month का दिखाता है.
हाँ हाँ, 1 मंथ या कितना दिखाता है, तो
हाँ
उसके बाद हम अगर 1 मिनट के लिए चला तो वो अपने आप एजूर संभाल लेगा कि कितना काटना है या
हाँ
कितना।
हाँ, वो कैलकुलेट कर लेगा, क्योंकि एज्योर चार्जेस द कस्टमर ऑन पर मिनट बेसिस. सो जितना भी आपने मान लो 15 मिनट तक प्रैक्टिकल करके डिलीट कर दिया, तो 15 मिनट का जो भी बिल बनेगा, यू विल गेट इट. हर
मतलब
महीने
उस
आएगा वो, ऐसा नहीं है हर दिन आएगा. बट इफ यू वांट टू चेक, इफ यू वांट टू ट्रैक द कॉस्ट, यू कैन गो टू द कॉस्ट एनालिसिस. कॉस्ट एनालिसिस पे जाके वी कैन ट्रैक. पेड अकाउंट की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, इट इज नॉट फॉर द फ्री ट्रायल अकाउंट. दिस माइन हैज द पेड अकाउंट. सो इन द कॉस्ट एनालिसिस वी कैन ट्रैक दैट हाउ मच इज द कॉस्ट. सो ये अभी देखो रिफ्रेश हो रहा है, एंड इट विल रिफ्लेक्ट यू द कॉस्ट. सो अभी तक देखो, इतना मेरा 1 महीने का बनने वाला है अभी. इट विल बी अराउंड 457 रुपीज समथिंग. तो इतने का बिल मेरे को आ सकता है, और कहाँ कहाँ पे कितना यूज हुआ है, तो मैंने इतनी सारी चीजों पे इतने इतने पैसे यूज कर दिए हैं. दिस वॉज फॉर योर प्रैक्टिकल्स. इस वजह से, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 3 बैच है मेरे, एंड मैं इसको वैसे भी यूज करता हूँ अपने ऑटोमेशन प्रैक्टिसेस के लिए भी, आगे के जो है ना डेवऑप्स में. इफ वी वांट टू टेस्ट समथिंग इन द कंपनी, सो उससे पहले मैं अपने यहाँ पे टेस्ट करके देन कंपनी में लॉन्च करता हूँ उसको. दैट इज द रीजन मेरा तो मतलब 500 हजार के बीच में बिल आ भी जाता है. बट फॉर द नॉर्मल पेड अकाउंट होल्डर इट इज ओनली 200 रुपीज 100 रुपीज पर मंथ. तो ये तो हो गई पेड अकाउंट की कहानी. पर मंथ कुछ भी पे नहीं करना है. देर इज नो फिक्स चार्जेस दैट यू हैव टू पे एवरी मंथ. इट इज जस्ट व्हाट यू डू ऑन द पोर्टल. बट अभी आप लोग फ्री अकाउंट यूज करोगे, यू डोंट हैव टू यूज द पेड वन. इन फ्यूचर इफ यू वांट टू, तब आप कर सकते हो, अगर आपको करना है तो. नहीं करना है, इट इज योर चॉइस. मैंने बता दिया. In order to create the account, what you are going to do, आप लोगों को मैंने बताया, you will type in the Google Azure free account creation. आप लोग ये टाइप करोगे सीधा, and you will go to create your Azure free account today. इस ऑप्शन पे जाओगे आप, and you have to click on start free. You will click here. So click on start free. And here you have to enter your details. आपको अपनी डिटेल्स वगैरह यहाँ पे डालनी है. डिटेल्स will be like you must have one of the email address. So you will get the option like this. ऐसा ऑप्शन आएगा आपके पास. So you have to type your Gmail ID or the Outlook.com ID. जो भी आपके पास अवेलेबल है, just use it. Then click on next. Because I already have the portal and my card is also used, so that is the reason I will not create a new account, but I will show you the option. You have to just fill the instruction and you have to create it with your own. नहीं create होता है तो मुझे बताओगे आप लोग on the screen share. I will help you with that. But the best option will be to create it with your own, so that if you face any challenges, you can discuss with me either. तो कैसे करना है देखो मैं बता देता हूँ. I will share one file with you also. एक फाइल भी दूंगा मैं आपको. In order to manage a lot of notes, it becomes very tragic. Yeah, this one. This document I will share with you after the class. आज ही दे दूंगा मैं आप लोगों को. So you have to click on start free. As I told you, start free पे click करने के बाद you have to enter your Gmail ID, या तो Gmail or it can be Outlook.com ID. Click on next. After that, it will ask you to fill the details. ऐसे करके ऑप्शन आएगा आपके सामने, you have to fill the detail like what is your country, what is your first name, last name. ये मैंने उठाया हुआ है किसी का, so पता नहीं कौन था वो, रूल शोरे करके कोई था. तो you have to enter the details. Again the email address. If you want to add the phone number, you can. Otherwise, you can skip that as well. But I would recommend to add the mobile number because this will help you to get the authentication tokens in future. मान लो कल को पासवर्ड भूल गए, so it will be helpful for recovery purpose. So enter your mobile numbers, then click on next. After that, it will ask you to validate your mobile number with the code. So जो mobile number आप डालोगे, there will be one of the text me option or call me option. You have to click on text me. You will get one of the OTP. आपको OTP मिलेगा. You have to add the OTP from your mobile here for the authentication. Then you will verify the code. Verify code पे click करोगे आप. Once this is done, then this kind of screen will come. तब ऐसी screen आएगी, देखो. Identity verification by card. So we ask for your credit card number. Nowadays it is debit card also. पहले सिर्फ credit card चलते थे, अब debit card भी चलते हैं. So you have to enter your details just to understand that you are not a spam or bots. मतलब आप authorize हो, इस वजह से आपके कार्ड की डिटेल वो मांगेंगे. You won't be charged unless you upgrade. आपसे कोई चार्जेस नहीं लिए जाएंगे, जैसा उसने बोल भी दिया. So card should be Visa only or Mastery only. यहाँ पे दिखा रहा है, देखो, Visa and Mastery only. You have to enter your name, the card number, जिसका भी कार्ड है उसका नाम, उसका कार्ड नंबर, the expiry date, the CVV. Address is for billing purpose because this is one of the cloud accounts. So for billing purpose, the address is required. You don't have to type the real address. It is up to you. आपकी मर्जी. Whatever address you want to type, you can type it here. But in case you want to give the real address, it does not make any difference. आपको अपना एड्रेस डालना है, आप डाल सकते हो. This will come in your bill every month. जो भी आपके bills बनेंगे pay as you go वाले में तब. On the free account there is no bill. It is free of cost. Nothing bill will be charged. Then there will be agreement box. You have to check that box like this. इस type का agreement आता है. You have to check both the boxes. Then click on sign up. After the sign up, your account will be created. It will take some time setting up your account and your account will be created. You will get this confirmation. You are ready to start with the Azure. Then after the account is created, what you have to do, you have to log into the portal using this link. आप इस link से portal पे login करोगे. So the link is very easy. It is portal.azure.com. You can easily remember this one, portal.azure.com. Enter. And here you have to enter your user ID and the password. So enter the email address, click on next, enter the password, and you will be logging into the Azure portal. This is very easy process. It only that you have to enter the details while the creation. ये आप लोग create कर लेना. Even आज time मिलता है तो आज ही रात को कर लो. आज नहीं मिलता है तो कल कर लो. But इसको कर लो because all the practicals that we are going to do, that will be on the Azure portal. और Azure portal create नहीं करोगे तो you will not be able to do the practicals, and if you are not doing the practical, the selection chances is nothing. क्योंकि कंपनी में सब कुछ सिनेरियो बेस्ड प्रैक्टिकल होगा. नो थियोरेटिकल क्वेश्चंस विल बी आस्क्ड. वो आपसे ये नहीं पूछेंगे व्हाट इज वीएम, व्हाट इज क्लाउड, व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ क्लाउड. दे विल आस्क यू द प्रैक्टिकल सिनेरियो बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस इन द रियल इंटरव्यूज. तो पोर्टल क्रिएट करोगे आप. अगर नहीं होता है, इफ यू फेस एनी काइंड ऑफ एरर और समथिंग, लीव इट देयर, वहीं पे छोड़ देना आप उसको. डिस्कस विद मी ऑन द स्क्रीन शेयर. आई विल हेल्प यू आउट. स्क्रीन शेयर में मैं आपकी हेल्प करूंगा कि कैसे करना है. अगर आपसे नहीं होता है तो खुद से करो, नहीं होता है तो मुझे बताओगे, क्योंकि मेरे को सबके पोर्टल क्रिएट करवाने हैं. वन मोर थिंग, समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन द पोर्टल इज क्रिएटेड, जब पोर्टल क्रिएट हो जाएगा तो भी आपको ऑप्शन नहीं देगा लॉगिन करने का. सो यू हैव टू वेट फॉर 24 आवर्स. कभी कभी सिंक्रोनाइजेशन इश्यूज होंगे. यू will not be able to log in into the portal. So don't worry about it. Just wait for 24 hours and after that automatically it will be sorted out. कभी कभी सिंक इशू की वजह से भी आप लॉगिन नहीं कर पाओगे स्टार्टिंग में, जब पोर्टल क्रिएट होगा फर्स्ट टाइम. So this is how the thing works. For AWS का पोर्टल भी आपको मैं दिखाता हूँ. We are not going to work on the AWS cloud, but let me show you how does it look like. So AWS sign in.
Sir, I have one query.
Yes.
सर एक्चुअली जब हम अकाउंट क्रिएट कर लेंगे देन उसके बाद हम अपना पेमेंट की डिटेल करके हमारा पोर्टल क्रिएट हो जाएगा, तो यहाँ पर कोई ऐसा रूल तो नहीं कि ऑटो पेमेंट समथिंग लाइक दैट
नथिंग
कि
नथिंग नथिंग
लाइक अगर हम सब्सक्रिप्शन कैंसिल करना भूल जाएं तो वो ऑटो पेमेंट हो जाएगा
No,
1 महीने के बाद?
nothing. There is no payment actually. In the free account also there is no payment because free trial means free. Even no bill will be generated on the free account. That is the reason they are giving you the credit of around 16,000 something. So no bills will be
ओके,
charged.
1 महीने बाद वो एक्सपायर हो जाएगा, देन उसके बाद जितना आप यूज करोगे उतना पे करोगे,
हाँ,
राइट?
जितना अगर आप अपग्रेड करते हो तो अगर आपने अपग्रेड नहीं किया तो 1 साल के लिए अकाउंट तब भी वैलिड रहेगा, बट कुछ सर्विसेज यूज नहीं कर पाओगे आप, लिमिटेड सर्विसेज यूज कर पाओगे।
ओके ओके,
ठीक है,
अंडरस्टूड।
तो अगर पे एज यू गो में ट्रांसफर किया है देन ओनली वट एवर यू विल यूज द बिल विल बी जनरेटेड। इफ यू हैव नॉट अपग्रेडेड द अकाउंट आफ्टर द फ्री ट्रायल हैज बीन एक्सपायर्ड देन इट विल बी फ्री ट्रायल ओनली, नो बिल्स विल बी चार्ज्ड।
ओके
सर अगर मतलब वो जो 1 महीने के बाद जो 12 नेक्स्ट 12 मंथ अगर मतलब VM तो तैयार करना मतलब वो तो
हाँ,
देगा वो लोग।
बीएम वगैरह के प्रैक्टिकल हो जाएंगे।
हाँ तो मान लीजिए कि मैंने D2S माइक्रो का एक VM किया,
हम्म
ठीक है, तो उसमें मैंने मान लीजिए कि सब फॉर डूइंग प्रैक्टिकल मैंने 1 मिनट और 2 मिनट के लिए चलाया, उसके बाद वो डिलीट कर दिया मैंने।
हम्म
तो उसके जो एक मतलब जब जो वो मिनट बेसिस में चार्ज करते हैं तो वो मिनट के लिए भी आपको पैसा मतलब कटेगा, डिडक्ट
नहीं
करेगा
नहीं
मनी?
कटेगा, नहीं कटेगा।
वो कम्प्लीटली फ्री है?
वो जो फ्री वाली वीएम होगी ना सिर्फ वही चला पाओगे फिर आप, उसमें वो D2S वाली वीएम भी नहीं चलाने देगा। देयर
ओके
विल बी द वीएम विच इज डेडिकेटेड फॉर द फ्री सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर 1 ईयर,
ओके,
तो वही वाली चलेगी बस।
लेकिन हम प्रैक्टिकल कर पाएंगे?
हाँ, मतलब नॉर्मल प्रैक्टिकल्स कर पाओगे।
ओके ओके ओके।
So this is how the AWS portal looks like. We are not going to work on this, but have a look. दिखता कैसा है देख लो बस। सारे क्लाउड में पोर्टल्स होते हैं। इन द रियल कंपनी द सेम पोर्टल विल बी यूज्ड। ऐसा पोर्टल देखो AWS का ये। दिस इज द AWS पोर्टल। So we have these kind of options in the AWS. ये थोड़ा देखने में थोड़ा वैसा लगता है, मतलब जैसे वो है ना अपना Amazon.com जो शॉपिंग साइट है, इट रिजेंबल्स लाइक दैट क्योंकि है तो उन्हीं का ही। और Azure portal will look like this. मेरे पास 2 ही पोर्टल है। आई डोंट हैव अलीबाबा राइट नाउ क्योंकि अलीबाबा मेरी कंपनी में है बट मैं नहीं यूज करता। द अनदर इंजीनियर हु आर द पार्ट ऑफ अलीबाबा टीम दे आर यूजिंग इट एक्चुअली। मेरी कंपनी में तो अलीबाबा भी है बिकॉज वी हैव सम क्लाइंट्स इन चाइना ऑल्सो। तो दिस इज द Azure portal and this one is the AWS portal. So there are a lot of differences, बहुत सारे difference है इन दोनों portals में, related to service, related to dashboard, related to option। देखो AWS ऐसा दिखाई देगा and Azure, ठीक है। So your first task for the practicals will be to create the Azure portal. So ये लिंक मैं आपको अभी दे देता हूँ, रुको। यस मुकेश।
सर फ्री ट्रायल में सर 1 मंथ में हम कितना परसेंट प्रैक्टिकल कर लेंगे सर?
1 मंथ में परसेंट तो नहीं पता, लेकिन 1 मंथ में हमारी क्लास 8 ही होती है तो 8 ही मतलब के हिसाब से पढ़ पाएंगे हम। सो 2-3 टॉपिक नेटवर्किंग के और VMs के, ठीक है।
क्योंकि सर इसके बाद जो आप प्रैक्टिकल कराने उसके लिए पे भी करना होगा सर,
नहीं, या तो नया
तो
अकाउंट
हमारी
बना लो या तो
सब्सक्रिप्शन
अपग्रेड
खत्म
कर
हो
लो।
जाएगी।
सुनो या तो नया अकाउंट बना लो, ठीक है। एक मिनट, आई एम म्यूटिंग एवरीवन, देयर इज अ बैकग्राउंड नॉइस। या तो नया अकाउंट बना लो या तो उसको अपग्रेड कर लो। यू हैव 2 ऑप्शंस, ठीक है।
अपग्रेड करने से मतलब वो पे एज इट इज आ जाएगा वो?
हाँ, वो पे एज यू गो बन जाएगा, फिर उसमें जितना आप यूज करोगे यू हैव टू पे दैट। और आप लोगों के केस में फॉर द स्टूडेंट केसेस जो प्रैक्टिकल आप कर भी लोगे ना, वो मतलब उस अगर आपने पे एज यू गो बना भी दिया, मान लो अगर आपको लगता है, तो आपके बिल 200 रुपये से ऊपर नहीं आने वाले पर मंथ, क्योंकि आप लोगों का तो वही बस अपना कोर्स करो डिलीट मारो वो वाला हिसाब है। मेरे वाले केस में मैंने बताया ना, आई एम टेकिंग 3 बैचेस ईयर और उसके बाद मैं थोड़ा ऑटोमेशन के आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के कोर्सेज कर रहा हूँ फ्रॉम द कंपनी। मतलब मेरे को उस पे अपने वो चलाने हैं, कंटेनर इंस्टेंसेस चलाने हैं कंपनी में, सो कंपनी इज स्पॉन्सरिंग माय सर्टिफिकेट ऑन दैट पार्ट। तो इस वजह से रोबोटिक्स के ऑटोमेशन स्क्रिप्ट्स को रन करने के लिए मेरे बिल्स भी थोड़े 1000 रुपये, 500 रुपये, 700 रुपये, 1200 ऐसे करके, अभी तो 610 का आया था, 610 रुपये का। आप लोगों के केस में नहीं आएगा, आप लोग इतना यूज ही नहीं करते पोर्टल, आप तो बस अपना प्रैक्टिकल कर रहे हो, डिलीट मार रहे हो, तो 150-200 रुपये का बिल आपका बनेगा। एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो ट्रैक इट, वो भी आप देख पाओगे, मैंने बताया ना कॉस्ट एनालिसिस में समझाऊंगा आपको वो सब चीजें कैसे ट्रैक करते हो। अभी उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, अगर लगता है इफ यू वांट टू गो टू पे एज यू गो, तो मैं आपको उसकी पूरी चीजें समझाऊंगा। इट विल बी द पार्ट ऑफ योर ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम, दैट हाउ टू चेक द कॉस्ट, हाउ टू चेक द बजट्स एंड एवरीथिंग। ठीक है, तो ये हर क्लाउड में यू कैन एनालाइज द कॉस्ट, यू कैन जस्ट वॉच, मॉनिटर द थिंग्स एटसेट्रा। AWS में वो कहते हैं दैट वी गेट द पोर्टल एक्सेस फॉर 1 ईयर। द सेम पोर्टल एक्सेस वी गेट इन एज्योर ऑल्सो फॉर 1 ईयर। एज्योर में भी मिलता है 1 ईयर का, बट आई टोल्ड यू द लिमिटेड सर्विसेज विल बी अप फॉर 1 मंथ, द फुल सर्विसेज विल बी अप, but after 1 month is completed in the free account, some services will be running for 1 year। तो AWS के अंदर भी आप जब बड़े बड़े लेवल्स पे वो जैसे VMs यूज करना चाहते हो, इंस्टेंसेस यूज करना चाहते हो, दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू अलाउ इट फॉर यू। तब आपको फिर उसमें भी पेड में ही कन्वर्ट करना पड़ता है, और पेड का ये मतलब नहीं है कि आपको पैसे देने पड़ते हैं उनको। इफ यू आर नॉट यूजिंग द पोर्टल फॉर 1 मंथ, यू डोंट हैव टू पे एनीथिंग। मतलब आपने यूज ही नहीं किया किसी महीने, बिल ही 0 है, तो कुछ आएगा ही नहीं आपके पास। अगर आपने 10 रुपए का यूज कर लिया, सो यू हैव टू पे दैट 10 रुपीज टू द माइक्रोसॉफ्ट और AWS। वो इस तरीके से चलता है पे एज यू गो। सेम अप्लाइज इन द कंपनी ऑल्सो, कंपनी भी मंथली कुछ नहीं पे करती। if whatever services they are running on their cloud, they have to pay accordingly. That is the reason cloud is a pay as you go model concept। तो इसमें आपको अलग से आपके सिस्टम पे कोई रिक्वायरमेंट की जरूरत नहीं है। यू मस्ट हैव द अकाउंट ओनली इन द कंपनी फॉर रनिंग द कंप्लीट इंफ्रा। सो आप लोगों का पहला काम तो ये अकाउंट बनाने का होगा। लेट मी शेयर यू दैट डॉक्यूमेंट। मैं आपको ये डॉक्यूमेंट दे देता हूँ, नहीं बनता है आपसे, डिस्कस विद मी, इतना टेंशन वेंशन मत लेना, मैं बनवा दूंगा। बट पहले ट्राई करना खुद से, अगर हो गया तो अच्छी बात है। इफ यू आर अनेबल टू डू इट, लेट मी नो, आई एम हियर। तो आपका बैच फेब्रवरी वाला है। हियर आई एम अपलोडिंग दैट फाइल, दिस वन।
राकेश सर,
यस।
लाइक हमारा जो ऑफिस का जो एज्योर की आईडी है, तो उससे हम प्रैक्टिकल नहीं कर सकते? लाइक हमारा तो एज्योर पे पोर्टल है ही, लॉगिन आईडी पासवर्ड।
यू हैव द एज्योर पोर्टल इन द कंपनी?
यस, एक्चुअली मैं मतलब थोड़ा वर्क किया है एज्योर पे, तो आई हैव द एक्सेस। तो हम उस पर वर्क नहीं कर सकते लाइक एज अ फ्री अकाउंट?
No, actually, if that ID is already registered with the portal, you will not be able to create another portal with that. But if your TL allows you to use the same portal, then you have to discuss with him. Otherwise, I don't think that company is going to give you the permission to use the same portal for your personal practical. So the better idea would be to create one. But if you want, you can discuss with your TL also. If he is the good person, then only discuss. वरना मत discuss करना. Otherwise, there are some managers in the company who will see that, okay, you are doing the courses for leaving the job, then they will make your life hell in the company. So अच्छा है बंदा तो डिस्कस कर लेना, वरना मत करना।
श्योर सर, थैंक यू।
कुछ मैनेजर बहुत खतरनाक होते हैं। So I am pasting you the link to create one of the Azure portal। इस डॉक्यूमेंट के अंदर जाके you will see this one, ये नहीं है, let me delete this। You will see one file only, so you can open it। Step by step instructions are written here। You can create your account from this particular reference। In case you stuck somewhere, उसको वहीं छोड़ देना। अगर नहीं create होता, leave it, I will help you on the screen share। तो ट्राई करना, नहीं होता है वैसे, बहुत इजी सा है, डिटेल ही फिल करनी है, लाइक जीमेल जैसे जीमेल बनाते हैं ऐसे ही एज्योर का अकाउंट क्रिएट होगा। तो ट्राई करना। इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू इट, मैं बता ही दूंगा आपको फिर। एक तो ये, दूसरा, in by chance if you have missed the previous class, so these are the notes of the previous class। I am sharing you the link again in the chat box। This is for the people who have joined today only। So this is the link for the first and second class जो document हुए थे। This is the Google Drive link, you can download this file। Don't delete anything, just download and keep it safe in your system. For video recording, just let me give you that link. Wait. And videos को भी download करके रख लेना, because when there will be storage issues, the admin team is going to wipe it out. So एक मिनट, मैं screen अभी दोबारा share करूँगा. Let me take that link first. So where is that? With Anamika, I guess. So Anamika will be your admin from the Evision team. I think most of you know her already, Anamika Dhawan. So regarding any kind of issues, any kind of escalation, you can discuss with her. आपका टाइमिंग क्या है? 10 बजे वाला, 7:30, 10, 9:30 बजे वाला बैच है ना आपका? Yes. So I'm sharing my screen again. So the link I have pasted into the chat box. There are two links. One is for 24th of Feb and the second one is for 25th of Feb. 24 तारीख और 25 तारीख के दो लिंक मैंने डाले हैं आपके बैच के. This is the Zoom link, so you can click on that and you can download the video. अगर passcode मांगता है, so passcode is also there into the chat box. You can just copy paste that and you can type it there. So you have the full access to download the videos from there. You can download it and you can watch the videos. वो इंट्रोडक्शन वीडियोस थी, बट फिर भी आप देख लो. इन केस उसमें से भी कोई डाउट होता है, यू कैन डिस्कस विद मी, आई विल हेल्प यू आउट. ओके, सबको क्लियर हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So just try to
Yes,
create
sir.
your Azure portals. Tomorrow I will walk you through with the Azure portal. अभी मैं धीरे धीरे इसलिए चल रहा हूँ because this is the starting period. वरना मतलब अभी एक दो क्लास और होने के बाद our speed will be clearer. दो से तीन क्लास और होगी अभी आपकी, मतलब कल की एक और उसके बाद 2 क्लास और. तो इसमें हम थोड़ा स्लो चल रहे हैं, बट आफ्टर दैट द स्पीड विल बी इन अ गुड मोशन बिकॉज वी विल हैव अवर बेसिक्स क्लियर. तो जैसे ही हमारे पोर्टल्स क्रिएट हो जाते हैं, हमारे फंडामेंटल्स दिमाग में घुस जाते हैं, स्पीड थोड़ी तेज हो जाएगी, तो उसी हिसाब से पोर्टल वगैरह अपने क्रिएट कर लो. कल हम क्या करेंगे, लेट मी गिव यू द ओवरव्यू. टुमारो आई विल टेल यू अबाउट द एज्योर पोर्टल. ये सारा पोर्टल मैं आपको समझाऊंगा पहले तो कल स्टार्टिंग में, दैट हाउ द एज्योर पोर्टल लुक्स लाइक, व्हाट आर द ऑप्शंस, व्हाट आर द सर्विसेज, व्हाट आर दीज ऑप्शन, हाउ टू यूज द पावर शेल एंड एवरीथिंग. ये सारी चीजें कल मैं आपको समझाऊंगा 10-15 मिनट. मतलब आई विल वॉक यू थ्रू विद द पोर्टल. आफ्टर द पोर्टल overview is completed, I will discuss about the subscription. This will be our first topic in the Azure. इस सिलेबस के हिसाब से देखो, दिस पार्ट इज ऑलरेडी डन. ये हमने कर लिया था प्रीवियस क्लास में, ये अभी हमने डिस्कस किया है. टुमारो आई विल स्टार्ट विद द पोर्टल एक्सप्लोरर, देन वी विल टॉक अबाउट द सब्सक्रिप्शन. सब्सक्रिप्शन यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे हम ऑन द Azure portal. So this topic I will discuss tomorrow. What is subscription? What is the need of subscription? How we can get the subscription? How we can check it? How we can add it? Then we will see the practical of resource group. इसके बारे में हम discussion करेंगे. Resource group. What is the resource group option? Why this is required? I am actually very bad in the spelling. ये आदत मेरी बड़ी खराब है. So we will talk about the resource group. इसके practical करेंगे कल हम. Then we will start the virtual machine topic. सर्वर का पहला टॉपिक होगा Azure VM that we are going to cover. So ये सारी चीजें हम डिस्कस करेंगे. ये वाला भी स्टार्ट हो जाएगा कल हमारा, द VM पार्ट. ठीक है, मतलब ये वाला टॉपिक कल खत्म हो जाएगा, प्लस ये वाला भी स्टार्ट हो जाएगा कल ही हमारा. एंड दिस टॉपिक विल बी लास्ट अप टू 2 क्लासेस, क्योंकि इसमें कुछ हाई अवेलेबिलिटी के टॉपिक्स है लाइक AS, AZ एंड VMSS. So this will take complete 1 class. पूरी एक क्लास इसमें लगेगी. बाकी इसमें से बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स कल हमारे प्रैक्टिकली खत्म हो जाएंगे, प्लस ये भी हमारा कल खत्म हो जाएगा इन द नाइट. ठीक है, उसके बाद हमारे धीरे धीरे टॉपिक्स चलते रहेंगे. नेटवर्किंग, लोड बैलेंसर, साइट टू साइट, पॉइंट टू साइट, हाई अवेलेबिलिटी, ट्रैफिक मैनेजर, CDN, एवरीथिंग. मतलब धीरे धीरे ये सारे टॉपिक्स चलेंगे. Someone was asking the syllabus, so let me share you the syllabus as well. सिलेबस भी दे देता हूँ मैं आपको. लेट मी चेक इफ दिस इज राइट वन. यही है ना वो, मॉड्यूल 2. यस, दिस इज द सिलेबस. Let me give you the link of it. So here is the link of the syllabus into the chat box. Just check and let me know if you are able to check it or not. जैसे ही मैं क्लास बंद करूंगा ये सारे लिंक आपके गायब हो जाएंगे, तो बेटर इज जस्ट सेव इट इन योर सिस्टम, या तो बुक मार्क कर लो या तो कॉपी पेस्ट करके रख लो किसी फाइल में। अभी मैं जैसे ही एंड करूंगा ये सारे लिंक्स नहीं देख पाओगे आप फिर। So are you able to access the syllabus using the last link? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Syllabus
Yes,
दिख
sir.
रहा है ना सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay, good. So syllabus I have shared, the previous 2 class recording I have shared,
Yes,
the
sir. Okay.
notes in the first link I have shared the notes of the previous classes, what we have covered in the last one. Plus I have also shared the Azure account creation process. So you can copy paste this link and save it in your system, or you can bookmark that one in your browser as well. So इसको रख लो and try to create your Azure portal account. नहीं होता है let me know. जिसका हो गया बहुत अच्छी बात, जिसका नहीं होता I will help you out. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Still any doubts, any question? ये कौन पूछ रहा है how to download Zoom recording video? See, let me tell you what is the process actually. I am going to open one of the link. मैं एक link पे click कर रहा हूँ on the screen. So once you will click on the link, this kind of page will appear. ऐसा पेज खुलेगा आपके सामने. So I am able to directly open the video, but if it is asking for any kind of passcode, so you have to copy paste the passcode from the chat that I have shared with you. Copy paste it and open it. Once it is open, you will get the option to download it. So currently the download option is not coming. Let me check. Yeah, it is not coming. I need to discuss with the admin regarding that. Might be there is some issue going on. So these videos are downloadable
Hello.
also. Yes.
Yeah, download option will come when we install the Chrome extension. There will be an extension,
No,
Zoom
it
download.
directly comes actually. The extension that you are talking about, that is something like a trick that we can use.
So it
Otherwise,
is showing that to
No, no,
fill
no,
out
no.
that request form to access the recording.
so you have to enter your name, the email
Yeah.
address, and the passcode.
Okay.
In my case, it is already entered. That is the reason it is not asking to me. So one time you have to enter the email address, the passcode from the chat box, and your name and everything. So you can enter any email address. It is not necessary that you have to give your real one. कुछ भी दे दो, it will work. And you will get the download option as well. If it is not coming, you can download the Zoom extension in the Chrome. Then you will get that option as well. Still, you are not able to download it. I need to discuss with the admin regarding the next step. अगर download नहीं भी हो रहा है, so don't worry. These things will be available on the portal. मैं बाकी आपको कल डिस्कस करके बताता हूँ कि ये अभी डाउनलोड का ऑप्शन हाईलाइट क्यों नहीं हो रहा. It must be highlighted on the portal. Okay? So ये आपकी previous class की recordings है. Just go through with that. अगर किसी का छूट गया तो जो लोग नहीं थे पिछली 2 classes में, they can just go through with this. Okay?
Okay, sir, but syllabus is not open freely, sir. It's
Your voice is not completely audible to me. Can you come again?
And what is it, sir?
Yeah, somehow it is good now. Yes.
Yes, yes, I will be opening a syllabus in class, but it's not open in freely syllabus, so it's very difficult.
No, there is a variation in your voice. Can you type it into the chat box? What is your query? There is some, like the audio part is not clear from your end. I can hear your voice, but
Sir, last class I have asked for your LinkedIn profile. Can you share it?
no, actually, I will not share it. You have to figure it out. The admin team has denied to share any personal information with the candidates, not the professional also.
Actually, when I'm figuring out, I have not got your account on that LinkedIn because there are many Rakesh Kumar on LinkedIn.
Rajesh is my name.
Yes, Rajesh Kumar. on LinkedIn. So which company are you working actually right now, sir?
I will share you one by one. Actually, the admin team has restricted me to share the personal information or the professional one on the class medium because I am working in the company, so that is the reason. But yes, I will share you the details one on one so you can get it. मैं दे दूंगा, don't worry. Otherwise, you can search. You have my
Sir,
photographs also.
the main issue is there are many Rajesh Kumar and also they are working in the same company. Name top
Hi.
is the same.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
बहुत सारे
That
बंदे होते हैं.
that is the issue, sir.
My name is very common actually.
Yes, sir. Yes.
कोई बात नहीं, मैं दे दूंगा. मेरा लिंक्डइन पे क्या करोगे लेके?
Sir,
क्या
just
लिखा
now I
हुआ है?
created the Azure account and immediately I got debited with
2
2
rupees,
rupees.
2 or
Is that
3, yes.
normal, na?
Yes, that is normal, and it will be refunded back after, like within 15 days you will get it again. That is for the authentication. They will deduct
Okay.
2 or 3 rupees, then they will refund it back again within 15 days.
All right. Thank you.
So Bankat is saying that the syllabus is not fully opening. Is it with everyone or it is with Bankat only? Can you all check and confirm me that you are able to open the syllabus or not using the link that I have shared?
Same, sir.
It is not working.
Yes, sir.
Can anyone share the screen? How that is happening? I don't know.
No, sir. My syllabus is opening.
It might open. There is no restriction on that. Might be that you have some network issue, I guess. Let me share it again. Wait.
There are many tabs actually, sir. Actually, they are not opening any tabs.
हाँ
ओपन
yes
हो रहा है
yes
सर.
हो रहा है ना? हाँ हो रहा
हाँ
होगा
सर.
यार, वो मैंने अपलोड किया है. बाकी तब भी लगता है तो वेट, आई एम गिविंग यू वन ऑफ द syllabus into the chat box. You can download that directly. Wait.
एचआर ने भी यही लिंक दी थी.
नहीं, मैं भी एक और दे देता हूँ. रुको. Just take all the document. Don't worry. Syllabus. Paste.
This is open, sir.
So I have pasted the syllabus into the chat box as well. If you guys want, you can download that one directly. वहाँ से download भी हो जाएगा. Please check and let me know.
हेलो सर, मैंने ऑलरेडी लॉगिन किया है. पहले से अकाउंट था मेरा, बट यहाँ पे सब्सक्रिप्शन दिख रहा है.
स्क्रीन शेयर
वो
करो.
जो $200 क्रेडिट टुवर्ड द अजूर प्रोडक्ट ऐसा दिख रहा है.
स्क्रीन शेयर करो. Share me the screen. Yes. You have created a new account, right?
नो नो, ऑलरेडी अकाउंट था मेरा. पहले से अकाउंट था. अभी मैं एक्चुअली यूज कर रहा था उसको.
वो फ्री ट्रायल अकाउंट था.
हाँ, फ्री वाला था वही तो. बट बहुत दिन हो गए, उसके 2-3 महीने हो गए.
हाँ तो वो ये अब दोबारा से ऑथराइज करना पड़ेगा. उसका ट्रायल खत्म हो गया ना, इसलिए.
तो ये अकाउंट नहीं चला सकता क्या मैं?
इसको अपग्रेड करना पड़ेगा. या तो स्क्रॉल डाउन करो, सब्सक्रिप्शंस पे जाओ, नेविगेट में पहला ऑप्शन. सब्सक्रिप्शन पे क्लिक करो.
एक्चुअली सब्सक्रिप्शन
इस पे क्लिक करो. वेट.
हाँ, यहाँ पे सब्सक्रिप्शन ऐड एडवांस ऑप्शन आ रहा है.
जाओ, अभी रिफ्रेश हो रहा है. रुको. देखो ये सब्सक्रिप्शन तुम्हारा हट गया ना, तुम्हारा काफी टाइम हो गया. तो यहाँ पे तुम्हें ऐड करके एक नया सब्सक्रिप्शन ऐड करना पड़ेगा. एंड क्योंकि इसका फ्री ट्रायल एंड हो चुका है, तो तुम्हें तो पे एज यू गो ही करना पड़ेगा. इफ यू विल ट्राई क्लिक ऑन दिस फ्री ट्रायल. आई डोंट थिंक दे विल अलाउ यू टू क्रिएट दिस अगेन. करो. अगर होगा एप्लीकेबल देन यू विल गेट द ऑप्शन टू क्रिएट इट अगेन, अदरवाइज नो. तब वो मना कर देंगे.
ओके, ये मेरे को रिपीटेड करना पड़ेगा.
अभी थोड़ा वेट करके देखो, अगर हो जाए तो. यहाँ पे डिटेल्स वगैरह अपनी फिल कर देना और उसके
यहाँ
बाद
पे नंबर ऐसे ही लिख रहे हैं 81
अभी इसमें टाइप मत करो, रुको। स्क्रीन शेयर पे नंबर टाइप करना अलाउड नहीं है बिकॉज एडमिन टीम हैज डिनाइड इट। सो अपना नंबर टाइप करके जब ऑथराइज करोगे ना, अगर हो गया तब तो ठीक है, यू विल गेट ए फ्री ट्रायल अकाउंट अगेन। नहीं होता है देन इट विल गिव यू द रिमाइंडर टू अपग्रेड इट टू पे एज यू गो। तब आपको अपग्रेड करना पड़ेगा या तो एक नया अकाउंट बनाना पड़ेगा।
ओके
ठीक है, तो नहीं करके देखना, अगर नहीं होता तो लेट मी नो, तो मुझे बता देना।
ओके थैंक यू। ओके
ठीक है, चलो लेट्स कनेक्ट टुमारो देन। टुमारो नाइट वी विल कनेक्ट एंड आई विल आल्सो डिस्कस अबाउट द टाइमिंग चेंजेस विद द एडमिन टीम। मैं उनसे डिस्कस करके आपको बता दूंगा क्या रहा उनका, and accordingly we will start it. So tomorrow it will be on the same timing meanwhile at 9:30.
Sir, time will be changed in it actually.
I had to discuss with the admin regarding that because I cannot take the decision with my own. I'm not full-time employee of this company, so I don't have the rights. तो एडमिन से ही डिस्कस होगा, मैं कर लूँगा खुद। मैं आपको बता दूंगा कि अगर हो रहा है तो किस टाइम होगा, नहीं होगा तो नहीं होगा फिर। ठीक है,
Okay, sir.
I will let you know if it is going to get changed, then it will be reflected on the portal. But tomorrow it will be on the same timing, 9:30. Tomorrow I will update you regarding that.
Because sir, on Saturday we have the working hours. If if it is on the morning, that will be our working hours for
So what time you guys are proposing? Like I don't know.
Night. It is the good time, sir.
It
9:30,
is the
sir.
good time for you.
Yes,
Yes, sir. ये टाइम ठीक रहेगा।
It is the good time.
So
Actually.
okay for
Yes, sir.
9:30.
Okay, then we will keep the same timing then. No changes. If anyone is okay with this time, then it is okay. So are all of you okay with this time, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then leave it. I will not discuss then.
Okay.
Okay. It will be same then. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay.
let's connect tomorrow night and we will have the further topics. We will discuss about the Azure portal and we will talk about the practicals of resource group, subscription and Azure virtual machines. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Good
so
night, sir.
thank you very
Good
much
night-
for
good
your
night, sir.
timing. Have a good night. Bye.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.